There's a better version of me that I can't quite see, but things are gonna change. Right now I'm a total mess, and right now I'm completely incomplete, but things are gonna change. 'Cause you're not through with me yet, and this is redemption story. With every step that I'm taking, and every day you're chipping away what I don't need. And this is me under construction, and this is my pride being broken. And every day I'm closer to who I'm meant to be. I'm a change in the making. Wish I could live more patiently. Wish I could give a little more of me without stopping to think twice. Wish I had faith like a little child. Wish I could walk a single mile without tripping on my own feet. Oh, but you're not through with me yet, and this is redemption story. With every step that I'm taking, and every day you're chipping away what I don't need. And this is me under construction, this is my pride being broken. Every day I'm closer to who I'm meant to be. Oh, from the dawn of history, you make new and you redeem. From a broken world to a broken heart, you finish what you start. Everything like a river rolls into the sea. We're not who we're gonna be, but things are gonna change.